Add flowers or spices and water. One-click start and leave the rest to MUFEE. Easy to DIY essential oils at home. Introducing MUFEE, the world's first smart essential and infused oil machine. Remember it? Water, plant materials, and kickstart it. Let's see how MUFEE works. The core technology combines the PID temperature control and a built-in circulating cooling system for continuously extracting and condensing mixed flavored steam. Home DIY is going to be super simple. Essential oils can be used for skincare, handmade soap, scent candles, or diffusers. We have many DIY recipes for all of you. Follow the steps to start creation. Wait, it's not over yet. If you're cooking for a baking enthusiast, the Infuser feature is sure to take your skills to the next level. Add the spices to the pot. Pour in the base oil, one-click start, and leave the rest to MUFEE. Gummy making with the MUFEE mixer. Add the infused oil to flour and do special baking works, whatever the French, Mexican, or Italian edibles. This easy-to-use device will be the best buddy in your kitchen. Elevate your kitchen experience and savor the finer things in life from today. Our mission is simple. We want to bring the home DIY more fun by connecting nature elements, and we hope you will join us. Thank you.